Hello out there! Today we're gonna go over the installation of the map software in the Hyundai Kona. I'm assuming it is pretty much the same for a few other models as well. It's actually pretty easy and straightforward. However, I've seen in the forums that there's a lot of people that have questions and are a little bit intimidated about the whole process. It is not that crazy, so I'll just show you guys here today how it works. So first of all, what you want to do is you go on to the map software webpage, which is www.mapnsoft.com, and there you select your car model that you have, either Genesis, Hyundai, and so you just click on that. Then you either sign in or you have to create an account. If you have an account already, you can just click on that, or you have to select the model of your car. Then on the next page right here, you are gonna select free download if you still have that available. Enter your VIN number into the field. Make sure you agree to the terms and then click add to cart. It will show you on the top right there what version you will buy. Here it is in the cart. It is $0 since it's 3 years for free after you buy the car. And then you go through the checkout and you basically bought the map update. It should say $0 there since you might be in the first 3 years. Place the order and you should be good to go. The most important thing on this last page is you need to have your order number. That will pop up here in a second. This order number is the important part because you will need it in just a second. So close that out, install and download the Mapnsoft update software. If you start it, you get to this screen here, you put in the order number and go ahead. You select the drive that you have your either SD card in, or in the newer models, the USB Thumbdrive. Select the drive and then hit start install. And that's basically it. So it will now, it will warn you that it will overwrite all the data. So if you have an SD card, you can buy a new one or a second one, 32 gigabyte, and use that. Or I just wrote my original one and went ahead with that. Or you can use a thumb drive in the newer models that don't have the SD card slot. And then you just wait for the download to happen. It will take quite a while. My internet is fairly fast, and it still took more than 1.5 hours just for the download. However, they updated the software, and make sure you have the newest software of the map downloader, otherwise it might not work. I downloaded it first on my desktop computer here, and the download stalled at about 60%, and I had to do it all over again. The second time I used my laptop, which I used the first time last year, and it had the old software which didn't work. It just said that the product that I bought was not eligible. So make sure you update the software. Once it's done downloading, it will show you installation successful. Now you just remove the SD card or thumb drive out of your computer, go into the car, pop it in there, and then finish the installation process there. Okay, now we're in the car. I put in the SD card, started the car, and it will start the software update. Make sure you actually start the car so it's using the high voltage battery and not just the 12-volt battery. That update process takes a while, so you don't want to put all that strain onto your 12-volt battery. Just confirm. It says preparing navigation, and then it will come up with this screen. You just hit OK to start the update. And then it will start the update. This takes about 15 minutes or so, a little bit more, a little bit less. Okay, let's speed that up here a little bit. It will go through several updates, 4 of them, and then restart a few times as well during the process. The last restart will then happen, and when it's done with the system update. It will restore some data. I'm guessing that is user data that you've put in there before, and then the update is complete, the system will restart, and you're done. It's really as easy as that. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. It helped you a little bit to see how easy the update actually is. And if you like the video, please like it, hit like, subscribe, so I know that these videos are helpful for you guys, and then hopefully I will see you next time. Thank you, bye.